What's the meaning of broken down? Broken down. Broken down.
Broken down. Broken down. Broken down refers to something that has stopped working as expected or has become frail due to wear and tear. It can apply to machinery, technology, or even people and their physical or mental health. When something is broken down, it may no longer function as intended and could require repairs or replacement. This term can also imply a sense of failure or disappointment in whatever has stopped working properly. Overall, broken down describes something that has deteriorated and is no longer able to fulfill its purpose or operate efficiently.